Have you ever wondered what secrets the red planet holds? This celestial body, forth from the sun, has captured our imagination for centuries. Mars, named after the Roman god of war, is often visible to the naked eye and stirs up images of a desolate yet intriguing world. It's a place of wonder and mystery, a planet that continues to fascinate us as we delve deeper into its secrets. Today we count down the top 10 intriguing facts about Mars. Starting at number 10, Mars is our next-door neighbor. Nestled just next to us in the cosmic neighborhood, Mars is a mere 33.9 million miles away at its closest. That might sound like a lot, but in the grand scheme of the universe, it's just a stone's throw away. We've sent dozens of spacecraft to explore this red planet, gathering invaluable data and captivating images that have fueled our curiosity and our dreams of exploration. Mars has always been the subject of fascination, a world that has teased us with the potential for human colonization. It's considered the most viable option for a second home for humanity, thanks to its somewhat Earth-like features and the presence of water ice. The allure of Mars has inspired numerous missions, both robot-led and potentially human-crewed in the not-so-distant future. So when you look up at the night sky, remember, Mars isn't as far away as you might think. At number 9, Mars is famously known as the Red Planet. But have you ever thought about why it's red? It's not because of some otherworldly phenomenon, but rather something quite common here on Earth. Iron oxide, or as we usually call it, rust. Yes, rust. Mars's surface is rich in iron, and when this iron reacts with oxygen, it rusts, giving Mars its iconic reddish hue. This rusty dust covers the entire planet, painting it red. So Mars's distinct color is all thanks to some rusty dust. For our number 8 fact, a day on Mars is longer than a day on Earth. This might come as a surprise to many. A Martian day, also known as a sol, is approximately 24.6 hours. That's just over 24.5 hours, a smidge longer than our Earth day. This slight difference means that over time, the Martian day-night cycle shifts compared to Earth's. So, if you ever feel like you need more hours in a day, Mars could be the place for you. Number 7 on our list is about gravity on Mars. Imagine being able to leap almost 3 times higher than you can on Earth. That's possible on Mars because its gravity is only about 38% of Earth's. It's a bit like living in a constant state of slow motion. You'd feel lighter, move differently, and even simple tasks would become a fun new experience. Keep in mind though, the reduced gravity would also mean much lighter weights. Coming in at number 6 is the thin atmosphere of Mars. Now if you were to take a deep breath on Mars, you wouldn't get a lungful of oxygen. Instead you'd be inhaling a cocktail of gases that's about 95% carbon dioxide. The rest is a mix of nitrogen, argon, and traces of oxygen and water. A striking characteristic of this Martian atmosphere is how it plays a crucial role in the planet's temperature and weather. This thin veil of gas can't retain much heat, causing Mars to be much colder than our home planet. It's also responsible for the planet's infamous dust storms, as the weak gravity allows fine particles to remain suspended in the atmosphere for long periods, whipping up into vast planet-engulfing storms. So while Mars might not have the most hospitable climate, it sure makes for some interesting weather patterns. For our number 5 fact, we dive into the topic of water on Mars. Now you might be thinking, water on Mars? Surely not. But it's not as far-fetched as it seems. Long ago, the red planet was a wet world, with water flowing freely across its surface. This is evident from the remnants of dried riverbeds and vast canyons that we see today. But where did all that water go? Some was lost to space while the rest froze into the polar ice caps that are still visible on Mars's poles. But the story doesn't end there. Recent discoveries have uncovered underground lakes beneath the Martian surface. These lakes, believed to be extremely salty, could hold the key to understanding Mars's past and possibly its future. Yes, the presence of water on Mars is not just a fact, it's a tantalizing clue to the planet's history and potential for life. Water on Mars gives us hope for potential life and future human missions. Number 4 on our list takes us to the highest peak in the solar system. Welcome to Olympus Mons, a towering volcano on Mars that dwarfs anything we have here on Earth. Imagine Mount Everest, our planet's tallest peak, then triple it. That's how colossal Olympus Mons is. A staggering height of nearly 14 miles, this Martian mountain is 3 times the height of Mount Everest. It's a testament to the extreme landscapes that await us on the red planet. Now that's what I call a mountain. At number 3, we explore the Mars rovers. These remarkable machines are the epitome of human innovation, our silent ambassadors on a distant world. The first rover to touch down on Mars was Sojourner, part of the Mars Pathfinder mission in 1997. This modestly sized rover was followed by others, each more advanced than the last. Spirit and Opportunity, twins in exploration, arrived in 2004, followed by the car-sized Curiosity in 2012. Most recently, Perseverance landed in 2021, carrying the tiny Ingenuity helicopter, the first of its kind on Mars. These rovers have made astonishing discoveries, from ancient water flows to the potential building blocks of life. They've weathered dust storms, scaled mountains, and even snapped selfies, all while millions of miles away from their home planet. These robotic explorers have been our eyes and ears on Mars. Number 2 on our list looks to the future of Mars exploration. As we move forward, ambitious plans are underway, with missions that aim to further unravel the mysteries of the Red Planet. These include the potential for human exploration, a concept once confined to the realm of science fiction, now inching closer to reality. Imagine humans setting foot on Martian soil, experiencing a world beyond ours. The future of Mars exploration is truly exciting. And finally, at number 1, the question on everyone's mind: is there life on Mars? For decades, scientists have been seeking for signs of life, particularly microbial life, on the Red Planet. The harsh conditions have made it seem unlikely, but recent discoveries of water and organic molecules have reignited our hope. And what about future human colonization? With advancements in technology, this idea might not be as far-fetched as it once seemed. While we may not have found Martians yet, the search for life on Mars continues. So there you have it, the top 10 intriguing facts about Mars. From its crimson hue, to its towering mountains, gravity variations, and the tantalizing hint of water, Mars continues to captivate our curiosity. We've even sent rovers to explore its desolate terrain, and who knows, maybe one day life on Mars will be more than just a theory. As we continue to explore the Red Planet, who knows what other secrets we'll uncover? As we wrap up our journey to Mars, we'd like to thank you for joining us on this cosmic adventure. If you found these Martian facts as intriguing as we did, make sure to smash that like button. Your support allows us to continue unearthing the mysteries of our universe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to accompany us on more exciting explorations. Together, we'll continue to push the boundaries of knowledge, and maybe, just maybe, we'll be the generation to finally confirm life on Mars. Until then, keep looking up and stay curious. See you in the next video.